everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rika Lindy. Today, we will be having a question and answer portion about the Lescolton IPL that I am using for almost 9 months. But I consider this video as part 1 only because magbe-base tayo dun sa may user's manual na nasa loob ng pinaka-box ng Lescolton IPL. At eto nga yun. Ayan. So, let's start now. And don't be bothered dito sa side na to dahil anino ko yan. So, this is the user's manual. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Mas malaki pa yung palad ko. And, ayan, Lescolton user's manual T009 yung nakalagay doon. And naka-drawing dyan yung pinaka pang laser. And then, let's open it. Makikita mo yung parang table of contents. Ganon. Tapos, next is product introduction, safety precautions, product structure, ayan, and test of skin sensibility, how to use, course of treatment, which is yun yung mahalaga sa lahat, and the lifespan of lamp, replacement of lamp, skin rejuvenation function operation method, recommended interval using HRSR functions, adverse reactions and related countermeasures, packing list, specification, table of simple troubleshooting, suitable site, ayan nakalagay dyan kung saan siya suitable na gamitin. And then, we will go to this part. Ayan. Frequently asked questions. So, let's start with the first question. And then, right after that, I will read the answer here in the user's manual. So, the first question is, what is the function of the lamp with different color? So, kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa yung color ng pinaka-lamp, which is the yellow one and the red one. And ito yung answer. Yellow lamp for hair removal and red lamp for skin rejuvenation. And take note of that, guys. And number 2 question, is the hairing required before each operation? And the answer is not not necessary. When you use the device for the first time, the thicker hair should be shaved once when the hair has grown to approx 3 mm and the use effect will be affected. The hair should be reshaved 1 time. When you use the device nga for the first time, mas makapal pa yung lalabas na hair sa iyo. It means hindi pa siya ganun agad-agad na tatalab sa iyong underarm hair. Meron talagang process dyan. And then, yung tubo niya, mapapansin mo habang tumatagal, kumukonti and medyo lumiliit na, hindi na katulad ng dati na pagka hindi ka pa gumagamit nito, matagal siya bago tumubo. And hindi siya ganun kahaba. So, third question na tayo. The third question is, why are not my hairs removed immediately after irradiation, or are not my hairs changed after irradiation? And the answer is, it is a permanent hair remover. Hairs cannot be removed permanently until you have used the device for 1 period. It can only repress hair growing and slow down hair growing speed at the beginning. The hair enter the sleep state under continuous action. Thus, permanent hair removal effect is achieved. So, ganun naman talaga. Pagka gumagamit tayo, hindi naman agad-agad tatalab yun. So, kailangan din talaga natin ng process. And sa una mo talagang gamit dito, sabihin natin mga nasa 6 weeks. Ayun, makikita mo na medyo bumabagal yung pagtubo ng hair mo. Question number 4. I have used the device for a few times. Why is the effect on my skin not as good as that of others, or has no effect achieved? So, ayan, ang dami nagtatanong sa akin yan dito sa YouTube ng question na to. And ito yung answer naman dito sa may user's manual. Everyone's constitution is different. Yes. Hair varies in thickness and color. The device is used on different positions. Therefore, use effect periods are differently natural. The use period is an average value. Detailed period may be different slightly. If no effect has been achieved after you have used the device for more than 1 month, be sure to contact us. Absolutely, you has not operated the device properly. So, sinasabi dito sa ating fourth answer na ang ating hair growth ay iba-iba talaga. Sobrang satisfied ako dun sa may answer na yon dahil totoo naman. At sabi pa dito, kung ang device na to ay hindi gumagana sa inyo for more than 1 month, you can contact them. But I don't know the hotline or what to contact them. Kasi gumagana naman siya sa akin. And absolutely, you has not operated the device properly. Isa din yun sa baka kasagutan, baka hindi natin ganun na nagamit ng properly talaga itong device, kaya hindi siya umi-effect. Kasi meron naman dito na asan ba yun? Yung how to use. Ayan. Meron naman siya dito. You can check it out. So, let's move on to question number 5. So, the question is, which level is more suitable? And the answer is, no uniform standard is used for this. It depends on each person's skin endurance. Yes, super satisfied ako sa answer na yon. And nakalagay dito na the darker the skin is, the lower level should be used. So, take note of that. And you should begin to use the device from lower level and then use higher level gradually. That's what I do. And the higher the level is, the energy is greater, the use effect will be more obvious, and the hair removal period is shortened correspondingly. In contrary, the lower level is used, the hair removal period is delayed correspondingly. It is suggested to carry out test irradiation on a small part of your skin for 1 to 3 times before hair removal on each position. So, ayun na nga, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako dito sa may answer dito sa may 5th question. Kasi totoo, ganun din kasi yung ginawa ko na nagsimula ako sa mababang level hanggang sa tinaasan ko. And depende talaga yon sa ating skin endurance, which is yung ating hair growth na din. At kung ginawa mo yun, nagsimula ka sa may mababa hanggang sa mataas, at kung nasa mataas na level ka na kagaya ko, mas makikita mo talaga yung effect ng device na to. Question number 6. Ayan, hindi ko maayan yung isa. So, the question is, why does a hair burnt smell occur after I use the device? So, ako madalas ko tong nararamdaman at madalas ko tong na-encounter. And the answer is, hairs have not been shaved completely during use. The melanin will interact with light wave to generate heat. Therefore, hair burnt smell will occur. It is normal. Nakalagay dito na normal lang yon. So, para sa akin, totoo. Kasi ako, itong isang underarm ko, hindi ko siya ganun na nasi-shave talaga. Kahit gusto ko siyang ulit-ulitin. Kaso natatakot ako na baka ma-irritate yung skin ko pagka diniinan ko and pagka inulit-ulit ko. Dahil pag nag-shave tayo na underarm, dapat gentle lang and hindi dapat sobrang paulit-ulit dahil mai-irritate na yung skin natin nun and magkukos ng rashes and darkening of underarms. And kung may naaamoy kayo ng mga parang nasusunog na buhok pagka ginagamit nyo to, nakalagay naman dito na it's normal. So, question number 7. And the question is, will it hurt? Yun lang yung question. Will it hurt? And the answer is, during use of cosmetic instrument, light wave will generate heat when it interacts with melanin. Therefore, some slight pain will occur. Everyone's skin sensitivity is different. Pain tolerance is different. Therefore, everyone's feeling is different. If you feel pain, you can begin from the lower level and then use higher level level gradually to let your skin adapt it. So yes, ganun na ganun yung ginawa ko. And ganun na ganun din ang mga advice ko sa mga nagtatanong sa akin. Unang-una talaga dyan, everyone's skin are different. Everyone has different skin type and everyone has different hair growth. And nakalagay din dito na magkakaiba din tayo ng pain tolerance, which is sobrang totoo, and ang pakiramdam natin ay iba-iba talaga. Hindi tayo pare-pareho ng pakiramdam. Meron mga balat na makakapal, meron balat na hindi makapal. So, iba yung feeling pagka ginamit natin yung product na to. And if you feel pain, you can use the lower level first and then use the higher level gradually to let your skin adapt it. And question number 8. So the question is how to shave hairs, which hairs should be shaved off? And the answer is armpit hairs and hairs at the position such as bikini line, leg should be shaved before the use of this device. So ayun nga, you have to shave the hairs kung saan mo to gagamitin. For example, gusto mo siyang gamitin sa iyong armpit. Of course, kailangan mo talagang i-shave yung hairs mo sa armpit bago mo gamitin yung product na to. And nakalagay dito, it is suggested to shave off the hair with a length of more than 1 cm. And before shaving, it is suggested to use the following 2 methods to remove hair more easily. Number 1 is lubricate the position to be adhered with shaving cream or gentle shower cleanser. And number 2 is use a hot towel to cover the position to be adhered for a few minutes and then gently shave the hair. In this way, it is more easily to remove hairs. So ayun, sa pagkakabasa ko nito, ang pinararating lang nito ay kailangan talaga natin palambutin yung part kung saan tayo mag-shave. Syempre, para lumambot yung hair, so mas madali natin siyang matatanggal. And now, let's move to question number 9. And the question is, I want to remove hair more quickly. Can I use the device every day? And the answer is, it is not suggested to use the device every day. Hair has growing cycle. You just need to use the device based on the normal use cycle. You can use the device one time every 3 to 5 days in first month. After the hair growing speed is slowed down and the effect is obvious, you can gradually reduce use times. So, ayun, yung answer na to ay related dito sa course of treatment. Ayan ang course of treatment. So, ayun nga, sa mga nanonood sa akin dyan before, alam nyo na sinabi ko sa inyo na ang first month ay 3 to 5 days ang gap. And after that, pag nakikita mo na yung hair growth mo ay bumabagal na at may effect na talaga siya, pwede mo na siyang bawasan ng paggamit, which is, ayun na, pupunta ka na sa second month hanggang sa konti na lang ng pakonti yung times na paggamit mo sa device na to. And let's go to the question number 10. Question, why does my skin turn red and little red spots occur after I have used the device? So, itong question na to, sobrang tamang-tama sa akin to. Sobrang patama sa akin to dahil ganito yung nangyari sa akin sa aking leg, and which is aayusin ko na din. And the answer is, it is because that the skin is hurt by shaving too much based on many times of test. It is suggested to use the following 2 methods to remove hair more easily. So, yung 2 methods na yun din yung kamukha nung nasa answer nung question number 8. Which is yung kailangan lang natin palambutin yung ating hair kung saan natin i-shave para mas madali siyang kumapit na sa shaver. So, mas shave siyang mabuti. And hindi na natin kailangan paulit-ulit pang i-shave yung part na yon. And last question na tayo, which is question number 11. And the question is, why I cannot see effect after I have used the device several times? And the answer is, the positions used with the device are different and hair thickness is different. Therefore, the effect will be different. In general, armpit hair and men's beard are more difficult to be removed due to male sex hormone and genes. The use effect will occur more slowly. The use effect is also related to the use shift. The permanent hair removal effect will be achieved as you insist on using the device. So, ayun nga. It depends talaga kung saan natin gagamitin yung device na to. So, nakalagay dito yung armpit hair and men's beard ay yun ang mas mahirap talagang i-remove due to male sex hormones and genes. So, kung nasa lahi nga natin ang mga makakapal ang buhok dito at dito, mas mahihirapan talaga tong i-remove. And the use effect will occur more slowly. Ayun nga, mabagal yung magiging process. Kamukha nga rin nung nangyayari sa akin dahil makapal yung sa aking armpit hair. And the use effect is also related to the use shift. So, depende nga talaga kasi sa paggamit natin nito. Kung sinusunod din naman natin yung course of treatment, kung lagi natin nasusunod yun, syempre, mas makikita natin yung progress. And the permanent hair removal effect will be achieved as long as you insist on using this device. And that is the last question. Ayan. Dahil pagdating dito, wala naman na. Dahil yon ay nasa warranty card na siya and ala na. And that's all for this video. I hope you like this one. And kung may mga questions kayo about dito sa Les Colton IPL, you can comment down below at isasama ko yan sa aking part 2 question and answer portion about nga dito sa Les Colton IPL. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and I'll gonna see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!